Welcome to the fifth video of pointers, students. Pointers and arrays. Pointers means always it should be in my mind address. Every memory location consists of address. Every memory location consists of name. Every memory location consists of data. The data should be brought from memory location. I need address. I need name of memory location. There is a close relation between arrays and pointers in C++. If you give int a of 6, a of 0, a of 1, integer means this memory location 2 bytes. This memory location 2 bytes, 2 bytes, 2 bytes, 2 bytes and so on. 6 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, compiler will not remember all the addresses. Ma'am, I always have a doubt, why should compiler remember the address? If compiler will know the address only, then the data can be brought. Students, always the data or the program will be in memory. So, memory consists of many locations. Every location consists of an address. If I know address, then only I can bring the data. For example, I want to meet Sheikh. I should know Sheikh Shahid address. If I know Sheikh Shahid address, I can go meet him and come back. Address is very important. Address will be stored in a variable called pointer. That memory location we call it as pointer. Now, for example, data is in these locations. The data should be brought means I should know this address. Everywhere A is there means entire array name is A. I want to bring data in this location means the position is 3. Position is 3 but address is different. The compiler will not remember all the address. It will remember first address. Integer means first location 2 bytes. For example, it is 2000 means 2002 it will do. So A plus I is a formula which will help us to go to the next location. That is how compiler will move. Next topic is array of pointers. Array of integers means you see A of 5 means 5 locations of integers will be there. Float 20 locations of float. Array of pointers means array of addresses because pointers equal to address. Array of pointers means array of address. Okay. Pointer means everyone should remember it is an address. For example, int asterisk p. Students, I want to tell you one thing. Int a means memory location name. In this memory, I can store any data. For example, before this, if I keep a symbol called asterisk, in this location, I can store only address. Now, int asterisk p is memory location. 5 addresses can be stored. Now you can imagine it as an array here. Array is here. P of 5 means P of 0, P of 1, P of 2, P of 3, P of 4. Okay. So now in the first location we call it as I, J, K, L, M. So in the first location 10 is there. Second location 20, 30, 40 and 50 is there in different locations. Now P of 0. P of 0 what is there? 10 is there. P of 1 20 is there. P of 2 30 is there and so on. P of 0 is ampersand of I. Ampersand means address. I is a memory location. Its address is in P of 0. So, there is one memory location. There is one memory location I. So, I memory location what is there? 10 is there. Its address is 2000. This address is stored here. Now, J is there. Okay. In that 20 is there. Its address is 2002 because integer means 2 bytes difference will be there. K is there. Its address is 2004. In that 30 is there. L is there. Its address is 2006. In that 40 is there. I, J, K, L, M, no? M is there. Its address is 2008. And in that 50 is there. Okay? Now look here. P of 0 is address of I. So what is the address of I? 2000. It is in P of 0. P of 1 is equal to address of J. So address of J is 2002. It is in P of 1. Like that you should think. Address of K in P of, like that you should think. Now ampersand of P of 0. Ampersand of P of 0. So P of 0, what address is there, we will go to that address and bring the value. Okay? Before I tell you, I'll tell you one more thing. X is equal to ampersand Y. In the first video I told you. Okay? So Y is a location. Its address is 2000. In that 2 is the value. X is equal to ampersand Y means X is a memory location which will contain address of Y. What is the address of Y? 2000. Okay? Now next question is X is equal to asterisk Y. X is equal to asterisk Y. So Y is a memory location. Its value is 5 and its address is 2000. So what is X value? X value is ampersand Y. Means in Y memory location, what value is there, that will be stored in X. What value is there in Y? 5 will be stored in X. So before a variable, if ampersand is there, it will bring the value. Before a variable, if ampersand is there, it will bring address. Before a variable, if asterisk is there, in this memory location, what value is there, that will be stored here. Before a variable, if ampersand is there, in this memory location, what address is there, that will be stored in X. Now it is simple. P of 0 asterisk. P of 0 asterisk means in P of 0, what value is there? Actually in P of 0, value is not there. Address is there. It goes to that address. In that location, what is the value it will bring? For example, P of 3 is 40. In P of 3, what is their address? 2006 is there. It will go to 2006 here. In that location, what value is there? That will be the output. That is how you have to read this. Once again, I want to tell you. Array of pointers means array of addresses. Now you can see asterisk P means it will store. It is a pointer variable. It will store 5 addresses. So I, J, K, L, M, its address it will store. P of 0 is address of I. Means I address will be stored in P of 0. J address will be stored in P of 1. K address will be stored in P of 2. Come here. Asterisk P of 0. It is bit tough if I am lazy. If I practice and listen number of times, it is very easy topic. Asterisk P of 0. In P of 0, what address is there? I will go there, bring the value. Its value is 10. Let us go to the next topic. Pointers and strings. Pointers and strings. So there is close relation between pointers and strings. So string means what? Sequence of characters enclosed with null character. For example, computer is a string. Means group of characters we call it as a string. Group of characters we call it as a string. Now look here, char s of 5 means 1 byte, 1 byte, 1 byte, 1 byte. Character means 1 byte. Integer means 2 bytes will be reserved. S of 5 means S of 0, S of 1, S of 2, S of 3, S of 4. 5 means 0 to n minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Char asterisk C means this is a pointer variable. What is C value? It will contain address of S of 0. Char S of 5 is equal to hello. Means here what is there? Hello will be there. H-E-L-L-O. This is how you initialize this. C out yes. Cout means it will give the address of H. What is H address? For example, H address here is 2000. Next location address is 2001. Because character means it will occupy only 1 byte. 2002, 2003 and 2004. Okay. So Cout asterisk of S. So yes, asterisk means in S what is the first value? H. So it will give the value as H. Cout S of 0 means in how many different ways we can ask. Asterisk means before a variable if asterisk is there, its value it will give. Okay. S of 0. In S of 0 what is there? H is there. So output is H. Cout S plus plus. First S is there. S is S of 0. Plus plus means 1. E will come as output. Okay. Now Cout asterisk S plus plus. Asterisk means value. S plus plus means it will give the address of E. Next one. Listen number of times and practice. Okay. If you practice it is very easy. Pointer as function arguments. Every function will take arguments. But now we are passing pointers. Swap num1 comma num2. Generally we will tell num1 comma num2. Now but here we are telling ampersand. Ampersand means address. First year you know how did we write this code. Whereas with pointer you are writing asterisk. Means the value in x should be shifted to temp. The value in y should be shifted to x. The value in temp should be shifted to y. Okay. So now let us see one more topic called pointers and structures. Number of revisions should be there. Pointer to structure variable created. So for structures we are going to create a pointer. So first year we studied struct student. This is a structure. Inside that one variable is roll number. It is of 2 bytes. Another one is fees. Another one is fees, which is of 4 bytes. Okay. So please don't move like that. Roll number is 104. Okay. For example, fees is 20,000. Now for this structure, student is structure. For this structure, we created an object. Okay. So student asterisk SP means for this object ampersand y means ampersand s means s is a memory location, its address is stored here. Asterisk sp of roll number is equal to 104. So this is a pointer variable. It is pointing roll number. In roll number what is there? 104 is there. So finally we'll store this value in this. Self-referential structure means if we are referring the same type, okay, a structure that will point to another structure, that is a pointer to another structure which is of same type. For this we can take a linked list an example. Now each node consists of 2 parts, data and address part. Using the address part we can go to next node. Here also data will be there, address is there. Using that we go to the next part and it will be like this. Means node is one structure. This is also node only. If I am pointing to another node which is like me, then we call it as self-referential structure. So how to create a linked list? Struct node means we are creating a node and in this first location is data. In node there will be 2 parts. First part is data. Number of practices will make you easy. Next to node, next part. This is next part. Asterisk. So it is pointing to next different type of node. Next one is this pointer. So a pointer pointing to the object are called object pointers. 1 mark they will ask what is object pointer. Pointer pointing to objects are called object pointers. Every object has its own address through an important pointer called this pointer. So this pointer will point out where we need to go. Next one is memory comes and memory goes. So we'll allocate the memory. Later on it should be deallocated, else system will crash. Freeing of memory is very important. So you can just write down the notes of it later. I'm just keeping like this. You can take screenshot and write down the notes. One topic I'm just showing you. You can take screenshot from the video itself. Write down the notes. When compared to all notes, this video notes will be still more easy. If you feel difficult with this topic, ma'am, how can I make it easy, is 20 times, 30 times, 40 times you should practice. Just before exam 40 times we can't practice, no? That is the reason I am telling you, do daily assignments. Lot of confusion will be there with respect to my subject. I know that. So I am telling you. Winner's attitude is daily assignments. Please move that side. 10 more minutes. I am speaking to my son who is disturbing me. Thank you, students.